Hi, I'm Kaushik, and I'll show you how you can run your own OpenClaw agent inside an isolated Docker container. I have documented all the steps required inside this Notion doc, and I'll paste the link to this in the description. So first of all, you have to run your own Ubuntu image inside a Docker container. Once you're inside this image, you'll have to update the system and then install npm node.js and source the OpenClaw install.sh script into your bash RC. This process might take a while. Now it might ask you for your geographic area for your time zone syncing. You can select your actual area here. Just type the number in and then click enter. Once the whole setup is done, you'll see the OpenClaw setup here, and then the first thing you have to select yes, and then quick start. You can select any model auth provider here, but for now I'll choose OpenAI, and I'll have my own API key. I'm selecting GPT 4.0 mini for now. Then I don't need any channel to chat with it. You need to configure your skills now. We already have PNPM installed. Yeah, for now, I don't need any particular skills, but for now, for the keepsake, I'm choosing Apple Notes. You can select no here. You can also skip this, skip this, skip this, skip this. You need to select, you can select any of this, but for now I'm selecting all three. For selecting, you need to press space and then enter to continue. You need to select yes here. Once everything is done, you need to go back to the Notion doc, and then you have to copy this, which allows you to remote access into your gateway because you're running OpenClaw inside a Docker container. Yeah, once this is done, you have to set the allow insecure auth to true because, as I told you again, we are running this inside a Docker container, which for you to access from your own browser, you need to have this as true. And then after this, you need to get your own OpenClaw auth token. We'll use this to access the web interface of OpenClaw. Once you get your auth token, you need to copy the auth token, and for the next step, you need to run your gateway. Okay, once your gateway is running, you need to open localhost 18789. You'll see your chat interface here, but as it's mentioning, we need to give it a token. So from previously, we need to copy a token from the terminal and then go to overview, and we need to connect it here. As you can see, it is now connected. Let's try to chat with it. Yeah, so our OpenClaw agent is up and running. I'll want to exit the gateway. All you have to do is press Control C and then type exit.